Hi kids, I'm Kev from Taupō District Libraries, and today we're going to look at some famous astronomy words, the vocabulary. And today's special word is... Let's get started, shall we? Neptune is really cool. Literally, it's the cool dude of space because it's so cold there. At minus 220 degrees Celsius, you better pack mittens if you plan to visit. Remember, your stop is the 8th planet from the Sun. You better get used to breathing methane though. It has the fastest wind speed of any planet and even has rings. It was discovered using maths to predict its location as its gravity was affecting the orbits of others in 1846. This is a planet that needs a coat, so if you have a 50,000 kilometre long scarf you can loan, astronomers would appreciate it.